What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So our good friends over at Techno shot us over a pair of their B1 Color wireless earbuds for us to take a look at. And not only did they shoot them to us in orange, but they also shot them to us in the gray as well. So we got both of these from Techno, and you guys know how I feel about them. They always take care of our channel right here, man. So I'm very appreciative of any and everything I get right here on this channel that I can share with you guys. And if tech tips, tutorials, reviews, and unboxings is something that you're into, then you might as well go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now. That way you can be a part of helping this channel grow. Let's go ahead and take a look at these earbuds. Now, if you're looking for these ones, you can find them right here on Amazon. I will throw a link in the description like always. The price on these are about $24.99 for the gray ones, and the orange and the green are about $21.99, and they do have a 20% off coupon as well. Scrolling through, we got a nice picture here, some high fidelity sound. We got Bluetooth 5.2, long battery life. We got 1.5 hours to charge, 13 hours of playtime, and standby is about 135 hours. Easy to control. These are the controls right here. They are inline, so should be pretty easy to use. Very, very simple. We got soft, lightweight, and yeah, this is what they're looking like right here. Oh, also just a side note, these are water resistant, IPX4, so you know, take that for what it's worth as well. So let's go ahead and get into the box. Looking at these boxes, presentation is always on point when it comes down to Techno, man. Right here, just got the B1 Color, 13 hours. We got Bluetooth deep bass. Nice little picture right here. Flipping it over to the back, got some cool little information. Soft, flexible, super lightweight, sweat-proof, magnetic design, Bluetooth 5.2. Got B1 Color on the side, B1 Color on that side as well. And that's about it, guys. So what I'll do real quick is I'll just go ahead and pop the top on the gray ones right here. And then I'll show you guys what these look like, but we'll go through the contents of this box because they're both the same. And then I just pull these in and show you guys side-by-side comparison of the color real quick. So let's get into this box right here. All right, so once you open these up, you're going to be greeted with your headphones first, but we'll go ahead and take a look under here so we can get to the other accessories. Right here, you're gonna have your user manual right here, so make sure you guys take a look at that if you need to. Next, you're going to have your micro USB cable right there, and you're also gonna have some extra ear tips down here in the bottom. Next, we'll take these headphones off really quick, peel these off just like this. Go ahead and get these off. Let's go ahead and peel these bad boys off like that. So once you get those peeled off, then you'll be good to go. And this is what they actually look like. And at first glance, just some typical headphones, nothing out of the ordinary. Right here, you got your inline controls, as you can see. Right here, you got your inline controls right there. You got that magnetic clasp right here, so that once you let them drape around your neck, you can just clasp them together just like that. We got a little bit of Techno branding going on right here as well. They feel pretty good too. This is like a brushed aluminum or something like that. Maybe a brushed aluminum. Right here on the inside, you got your charging port right there. So that's a good look as well. But overall, they look pretty good. Nothing out of the ordinary. I mean, like really nothing to really, you know, kind of like brag or write home about. Just a pair of typical, you know, earphones. So let me grab the orange ones and put them side by side so we can look at those as well. So we got the orange ones right here next to the gray, and there's nothing out of the ordinary. They just orange, same inline controls. We got the same charging port area, got the clasp. Everything is the same. Techno branding right here on the side as well. So everything is the same, but I just wanted you guys to be able to see what these orange ones look like right next to the gray ones as well. Give me a quick couple of minutes to listen to a few songs, and I'll be right back to finish discussing what I think about the actual sound quality of these earphones. Be right back. All right, so now I've had a little bit of time with these, maybe listened to about 4 to 5 quick songs, and I've already came to my conclusion as far as these headphones are concerned. Number one, I didn't have to change out the ear tips. I got a great seal off of the bat with these, didn't have to change them out. Inline controls work well, no issues there. They function in the fashion and the way that they should function. I had no issues wearing them around my neck, no issues there. Haven't worn them to the gym. I will do that here shortly. Haven't worn them to the gym, so I can't give you that perspective from working out and them falling out of my ear and stuff like that. As far as ear fatigue, no ear fatigue. Didn't have any issues there. Where they did shine was in the sound department. I had noticed that the bass on these was pretty good, not over the top, pretty much just right, but the highs on these are a little too high, meaning I didn't go past about 90% on these. At 100%, the highs was a little bit too high for me. However, the bass kind of evened it out. It's kind of tolerable to listen to them at 100%, but at 100%, I think that the highs kind of outshine the headphone in general. Meaning, it's just a little. It's just I don't know how to really explain it. It's just a little bit too high. So if you bag them down to about 80% and let them sit around in that, hover around in that range, that 80% range, it's like the perfect sound quality and the perfect mix. Once you go past that 80 and get into that, 90 to 100, to me, I feel like the highs take over. The bass is still there, but the highs take over. If that even just made any sense. But that's just kind of what I took from listening to these headphones. Now, all in all, I think they are a great set of headphones. I love the design. My wife actually said she wants to wear these orange ones. She listened to them and she liked them. She said that they were a little bit on the high side as well. She noticed it, and I didn't even have to mention that. So they are a little bit on the high side. She said the same thing as far as the bass was great, but it was a little bit on the high side. She said that her exact words was that the highs had a piercing sound to her ear. That's what she said. So, take that for what it's worth. Just something I wanted to throw in there because she did listen to these headphones as well. But overall, I think they're great. I think they will work for anybody that's into fitness, anybody that's into any type of job that requires you you can wear headphones and you don't want to have earbuds sitting in your ear all day and you just kind of want to take them out your ear, let your ears relax. These are where these shine and where they will come in handy. So with that being said, let's go ahead and wrap this video up. Now, if you found this video to be helpful in some way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit that like button so the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. It's been your man Jay, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.